Hello everyone, this is Vini&Jack from Tax Guru. Today we will be covering something about sales tax. I feel sales tax itself is a very big topic where a lot of things needs to be taken care of and to be considered. With the increased amount of the online sales, we have to be very cautious of where the goods are being sold and what is the relationship or nexus between that groups. So sales tax is defined as when you sell goods in any of the 46 states, you have to either pay the sales tax and collect the sales tax from the customers. There are 6 states where there is no sales tax. The states which no sales tax is Delaware, New Hampshire, Oregon, Alaska, and Montana. So 5 states with no sales tax. What you have to consider or find out is, do you have a nexus with the state? There are two types of nexus. Nexus means a relationship. Coming back to understanding on the nexus, we will go through physical nexus and economic nexus. Physical nexus is when the goods are touching the soil of that state, or if any of the employees touching the soil of that state, we have to pay sales tax because now we have created a permanent relationship with that state. Economic nexus, it means we are remotely selling the goods. Somebody sitting in China selling the goods in US in Texas, or I would say North Carolina being a better example. Does he has to pay the sales tax from his first sales? No. There is a limit with what the sales tax will start triggering. Now these limits are defined in a very different way and a tabular form, which I will share with you shortly. There are studies which needs to be done, which states has, relationship coming up or not yet coming up. So few steps I have written that what we should do to consider the sales tax compliance. Determine where you have the sales tax. Verify if your products are taxable. Otherwise, you do not even need to go to the next 4 steps. Register for the sales tax ID. Set up the sales tax collection. First collect it from the customers. Hold it as a liability and then pay it back to the state. There are different softwares which help. Few of them are TaxJar, Avalara, QuickBooks directly has a sales tax, and then Shopify. So let's take one more look about how to find the economic nexus. For each state, there is a different threshold with the relation of and or and the number of transactions. I will simplify with California. Always hard one. Big strict, lot of rules. Suppose if you have a sale, then from the date the business has started, you will calculate the sales done in the California state. If you either meet 500,000 transactions or number of transactions is not applicable. So it means once you reach and trigger with the 500K as your money coming in, then you are liable to pay and collect sales taxes in California. So that's what we will go and register the California, collect the sales taxes, and then pay it. I know there's another, lot of questions on this, but I'm happy to take it. Let's continue. Thank you so much. And I will stop sharing right here and start with the question.